My video guide is about getting rid of pop-up windows that are associated with this website called Ndihuaduuht.biz. I have tried to pronounce the name of this website correctly, but obviously it's difficult. The website doesn't really make any decent sense. It doesn't represent any value for its visitors. By the way, it is quite unlikely that you'll make your decision to visit this page on your own decision. Very often it happens that people are redirected to this resource because of visiting some other hacked website or because of certain potentially unwanted program or adware enabled in the computer. Another peculiarity of these pop-ups is that mainly they target Windows browsers like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. The pop-up tries to encourage you into clicking on the Allow button. Here it says that you need to press Allow button to continue, but there are some other examples when the pop-up says that clicking on Allow is for the purpose of age verification or for proving that you are not a robot or for some other reasons. You should not click on Allow. If you have done that, that's definitely a mistake. You'll be brought to some other junk sites that will try to point you to a lot of dangerous resources on the web. So what to do if you have clicked on Allow? Go to the menu, go to Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings. In the permissions, choose Notifications and pay careful attention to the Allow area. You now need to delete any junk sites that you see here in this list. Be sure to get rid of all of them that are not familiar to you. I would also recommend that you scan your PC with a combo cleaner. You may go to the page combocleaner.com and after downloading the software and scanning the system, it will help you to detect other hidden threats on your computer. How to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer and browser-related problems. The program is initially in the trial mode. You may select the preferred scan type, however, remember that full scan or custom scan are only the parts of the premium version. There are some other good features in Combo Cleaner, like big files and duplicates checker. You may consider using these features, but if you want to get your PC fully fixed or at least inspected, consider the quick scan in the trial mode. So click on Start Scan button. The program will begin scanning your computer and it will soon discover certain problems related to your available browsers or possibly related to the other issues with your Windows computer. Then the program at the end of scan will give you the full report about the current condition of your Windows computer and Windows related browsers. You may then get the clear image of what is going on with your computer, and you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the application to get all these troubles fixed and dealt with.